What mysteries lie in the depths of a black hole's embrace? Each black hole is a doorway into another realm of existence, an enigma. What lies at the heart of these cosmic giants? Time and space distortion await. Crossing the event horizon reveals an uncanny silence, a fabric of reality bending. What happens to matter when subjected to infinite gravity? A transformation unfolds. As we descend deeper, we unravel the fabric of existence itself, revealing new truths. Emerging from the depths, we grasp the enormity of black holes, guardians of cosmic secrets. In this cosmic journey, we find ourselves questioning the very nature of our universe.